Fred Haas Toyota World is the #1 automotive dealer in Texas because we know price sells cars. Plus, it's Fred Haas's goal to save every buyer $2,000. Honesty, integrity, and customer service. That's Fred Haas Toyota World. Here's the vehicle for you.
The Toyota Yaris is the little car with big possibilities. Fill it up with people, it seats 5. Or fill it up with stuff, there's lots of room inside. And just look at it. Whatever you do, you'll do it in style. Choose from 3 models, L, LE, and the sporty SE. The Yaris might look fancy, but it's surprisingly inexpensive to own. Low purchase price, high gas mileage, you'll have plenty of money left over for other things. And with just over 50 inches of shoulder room and just under 50 inches of hip room, the back seat can fit 3 adults. Or fold down the 60-40 split rear seat and there's over 15 cubic feet of space for boxes, dogs, or boxes and dogs, or other things if you don't have any boxes or dogs. And there's lots of technology, standard Bluetooth and USB port. You can even get navigation with real-time traffic info. Choose from a variety of colors and accessories and build a Yaris that's all yours. The Toyota Yaris. It's the smart choice.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. And with over 1,200 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, we're sure to have what you're looking for. Come experience the Fred Haas Toyota World commitment to customer satisfaction. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.